Here's BEVEL app AI health companion. Pretty new trending app. You can find in here is a #1 app for improving your health performance and longevity, trusted by thousands and backed by science. From sleep and recovery to stress and strength training, BEVEL transforms your health data into personalized guidance you can actually use. Whether you are training for something big or just trying to feel better day to day, BEVEL helps you move smarter, recover faster, and live longer without the guesswork. BEVEL Intelligence, your smart health engine. BEVEL Intelligence connects the dots across the data to give you instant feedback and personalized recommendations. It suggests when to train, when to rest, and what's helping or hurting your progress so you can make better decisions with less effort. Recovery score, your daily readiness simplified. BEVEL helps you avoid overtraining, prevent injury, and build more sustainable habits. Sleep score, strain score, nutrition score, stress score, journal biology. So pretty cool. Also, as Apple Watch app, everything is in this app, and everything is powered by AI. So something like that you have in here, and yeah. So that's the app. Try it out. It's trending on social, so definitely worth a look if you're looking for something like that.